In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact in PDF24. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your PDF24 toolbox, you want to click on this Blacken PDF over here, or if you can't find it, go to the search box, type in Blacken, and there we go. You can click on it from over here. Now, when you do this, you have to choose your file, or you could just drop it in here. So I'm going to select here, choose File, and I'm going to just pick one of these I have here, click on Open, and there we go. Your file is going to get open. Now, to actually redact, of course, we're going to be blacking out. You have two options. So the first one is the free drawing, so we can click on it, and of course you can select the brush type up here, either pencil or spray, the brush width, and then color, and of course the free drawing or straight line modes can be activated, and then via that you could go ahead and just basically manually redact like this, or of course if you select the straight line, you can go and basically draw straight lines like this, which is also quite convenient. So of course you also have the other option, which is the add shape. Now this is going to basically allow you to put in different shapes, which are going to be black and will redact your text as well. So if I do rectangle here, I can click on it, and as you can see, it's gonna pop up a rectangle, and I can just go ahead and basically place it over here. I can resize it using these different like rectangles at borders, and there we go. I can blacken or redact my PDF that way as well. Of course, there's a bunch of different shapes depending on whichever one you want to use. Click on it, move it, resize it, spin it around. You can do whatever you want with that and redact your PDF in that way. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.